How to WhatsApp backup without Google Drive. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn a method on how we can backup our WhatsApp without using Google Drive. So let's begin with the video and make sure to watch this video till the end. But before doing that, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your WhatsApp and go to your settings. And so first thing first, open up your WhatsApp and go to settings. After that, go to chat and you will be able to see chat backup here. Just go to chat backup and you see this backup option here. So on step 2, just attach the media to export the chats with the media files or without media if you don't want to add media files. After that, your chat will be compressed into a file. Now, in order to not back it up using a Google Drive, what you can do is just select email as the option to export your chat and enter the email address that you want to export the chat to and tap on the send afterward. And just like that, you can save the chat on another device once you have successfully sent it to the mail. So therefore, by following this method, you can use email as a backup for WhatsApp without using Google Drive onto your device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.